Assalamu alaikum friends and welcome back to my channel. In this question we will find the value of x and y from these two given equations, which are x square minus y is equal to 133 and y square minus x is equal to 133. So first of all I will name it equation number 1 and equation number 2. So before starting the solution, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe first and also press the bell icon to get the notifications of other videos. Okay, now let's start our question. In the first step, I will subtract equation number 2 from equation number 1. So it's mean equation number 1 minus equation number 2. So equation number 1 is x square minus y minus y square minus x. It is equal to 133 minus 133. So it will give us x square minus y square plus x, and it will be equal to 0. So I will just rearrange this equation as x square minus y square plus x minus y, and it is equal to 0. Now you will be familiar with this identity, which is x square minus y square, which can be written as x plus y x minus y plus x minus y, and it is equal to 0. Now you can see that in this term and in this term we have this x minus y is common. So it will give us this term divided by this term will be x plus y, plus this term divided by this term will be 1 is equal to 0. So here we have two solutions, that x minus y is equal to 0 or x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. From this solution we have x is equal to y, but it is given that x is not equal to y, so it's mean it is not a solution for this problem. Now we will solve for x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. So from here I will get x plus y is equal to minus 1, and I will name it equation number 3. Okay, now I will add equation number 1 and equation number 2. So equation number 1 plus equation number 2. Equation number 1 is x square minus y plus y square minus x. So x square minus y plus y square minus x, and it will be equal to 133 plus 133. So from here I will rearrange this equation as x square plus y square. I will take minus common from these two terms, so it will be x plus y, and it is equal to 133 plus 133 will be equal to 266. Now here we have the value of x plus y is equal to minus 1. So I will substitute here value of minus 1. So it will be plus 1 because minus into minus will become plus. So when I will take this plus 1 to the right hand side, so it will become 266 minus 1, which will be equal to 265. So x square plus y square is equal to 265, and I will name it equation number 4. Now I will use here equation number 3, which is x plus y is equal to minus 1. Equation number 3, x plus y is equal to minus 1, and applying square on both sides, so it will become x square plus y square plus 2xy is equal to 1. So from here I know that the value of x square plus y square is equal to 265. So I will just substitute here 265 plus 2xy is equal to 1. So 2xy will be equal to 1 minus 265. So it will be minus 264. Now to find the value of xy, dividing 2 on both sides. So this 2 and 2 will be cancelled out. And the value of xy will be equal to minus 132. Now I will use here this identity that x minus y whole square is equal to x square plus y square minus 2xy. So from here we have the value of x square plus y square, which is 265, and also the value of xy, which is minus 132. So I will substitute here 265 minus 2 times minus 132. So x minus y whole square will be equal to 265 minus minus will plus. So it will be 264. So when we will add them, it will become 529. So x minus y whole square is equal to 529. Here I have a value of x plus y. When I will find the value of x minus y, then I will solve these two equations simultaneously. So that's why I will find the value of x minus y from here. So I will remove this square by taking square root on both sides. So this square and square root will be cancelled out, and x minus y will be equal to plus minus square root of 529 is same as 23. Now here we have two equations, that x minus y is equal to positive 23 and x minus y is equal to negative 23. And I will use here this equation number 3, which is x plus y is equal to minus 1. So x plus y is equal to minus 1. When I will solve these two equations simultaneously, so I will add these two equations, so it will be cancelled out, and this x plus x will become 2x, and this 23 minus 1 will be 22. To find the value of x, I will divide 2 on both sides, so this 2 and 2 will be cancelled out, and the value of x will be 22 divided by 2 will be 11. Now I will substitute this value of x in this equation or this equation to find the value of y. So I will substitute here x plus y is equal to minus 1, and I will substitute the value of x here. So y will be equal to minus 12. Similarly, I will solve these two equations. So this y and y will be cancelled out. It will give us 2x is equal to minus 24. Dividing 2 on both sides. So x will be equal to minus 12. Similarly, I will substitute this value of x in this equation. So x plus y is equal to minus 1. X is minus 12 plus y is equal to minus 1. And I will take this negative 12 to the right hand side, so it will become positive 12. So the value of y will be 11. Okay, so here we have two values of x and two values of y. X, y. When x is 11, y is minus 12. When x is minus 12, y is 11. Now we will check that these values of x and y satisfy our given equations or not. So here we have x square minus y is equal to 133. So I will substitute here x is 11 and y is minus 12. So it will become 11 square. 11 square is 121 minus y is minus 12. So it will be minus 12, and I have to check that will it be equal to 133 or not? So it will become 121 plus 12, and 121 plus 12 will be equal to 133. It's mean both values of x and y satisfy our this first equation. Similarly, when I will substitute these values in equation number 2, it will also satisfy a given equation. And also when I will substitute these values of x and y in these two equations, so it will also satisfy our given equations. I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.